Hi there, Fraser Robb's here. I want to take you through this fantastic Stihl RMA 443 battery powered lawnmower. So with this battery powered lawnmower, you're able to put two batteries in. Put the battery in there. This one here is already fully charged. Put it in, shut the door down, press the button, to use this lawnmower for longer as you've got two batteries in it, and it will automatically move from one to the other. So this one is on four bars, so it's fully charged. You can put a second one here to allow you to use the lawnmower longer. This RMA 443 battery powered lawnmower is a fantastic lawnmower to use. With having the single handle on it, it's so much easier to get access to the grass box. Very large grass box with an indicator on it and very easy to empty. Just flip open the lid and you can empty the grass. Easy to put back on. Lift the flap and put the lawnmower, put the grass box back onto the back here. So this RMA 443 battery lawnmower has 6 heights of cut. 6 heights of cut here. This is a fantastic lawnmower for medium-sized domestic gardens. A great battery product from Stihl.